What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and mouth is kind of dry. Ooh. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and I'm back with another video. Hey. Okay, and today's video, finally, I'm going to do it for you guys. It's how I edit my pictures for Instagram and how I get my Instagram theme, feed, whatever. So if you have been following me for a while, I used to do a color coordinated feed, like literally more colors. So I'd have all yellow, or I'd have all pink, or something like that. But now I'm using more earth tones, and they kind of flow into each other, I guess. I'm gonna put it up on the screen, so I guess I'll scoot over and it'll be somewhere over here. Screen record. Now I'm going to show you guys what my Instagram looks like. What we have going on here is this brown feed. Before I had a green feed, and that's what that looks like, but we're going to focus on the brown feed. So I'm going to show you how I edited 3 of these pictures, starting with this bottom right one, and we're going to go into photos right here, and wait, whoa, and now we're going to just go to the picture in my favorites, then click edit, click those 3 little circles right there, go over to dramatic warm, and voila, click done. And that's how I got that brown picture. And then I took it to VSCO over here, import it, and all I did was add some grain, like probably around 2.3 or whatever. Click those 3 little dots, save to camera roll, and click actual size. And that's all I did for that first picture. The next picture we're going to do is this Snapchat one. So we're going to import this into VSCO. Yeah, I didn't use what am I saying? I didn't edit all of these the same, so that's why if you're confused, pay attention. All right, let's start the screen recorder back up. So I just import it into VSCO there, then click on that little tool. And these 3 first filters, the analog filters, the A4, A5, A6, those are what I use when I want like that brown type of filter. So for this one, we're going to use A4, and then we're going to bring down the exposure to negative 4.55. Click OK. Then we're going to go to white balance. We're going to make this picture a little warmer because we want it to be brown. So up to plus 0.5 because we don't want it too warm. The tint, give it a +1. Press OK. Then go over to grain. Give it like a 3. Click OK, and that's that. Turn up the brightness so you can see. So that's what that is looking like. Click save. Now as you can see, these 2 pictures side by side, the background is a bit different. So we're going to save this, save to camera roll and actual size, and we're going to go to PicsArt. Don't underestimate PicsArt. It's a really good app. Hear the rain. I know you hear the rain. Why is this taking so long to open? Okay, click the plus, click on the picture you want to edit, and what is this? Okay, no, go into effects, go into FX, then click on light cross. Now You see we have that brownish background, but I don't want the filter on me. So we're going to click that little eraser tool at the top and just erase the filter from my body. This won't be perfect because I don't have the time for that. You get the gist. So that's what I did. Just erased that filter from me and left it on the background. And yeah, that's pretty much how I did that, but neater, of course. Select OK, apply, save, and that's that. Yay! But we're going to move on to the last picture now, which is this. Let me pull up the screen recording. So I'm going to VSCO because I only edited this. I edited this last picture with VSCO only, so it's already imported. We're going to edit and we're going to click A4, bring down the exposure to -4.5. Okay, then we're going to add a little grain, like a +1.1, whatever. Click OK and save, and there we go. All 3 pictures edited to get this brown aesthetic. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so people always ask me how I get this brown theme aesthetic on my Instagram. Like, how do I get the filler pictures? Literally, all I do is go on Pinterest, type in brown aesthetic, and you get all of these pictures to choose from. And what the UNUM app does, basically you have those filler pictures and you click that plus sign and you just, I'm just gonna import a random picture. Import 2 or 3 pictures there. Wait for them to load. And you can play with how you set them up, so you can have an idea of what your Instagram will look like before you post. So it is all organized and it fits perfectly and all of that. And that's basically it. Nothing much more to say. I'm sorry if this video is all over the place. I don't know why this was so hard to record today. My camera keeps on saying I have insufficient space. My phone keeps on saying I have insufficient space. The screen recording isn't work. I don't know. But I'm doing this for you guys. It is now 2:05. I am starving. My lips must be crusty, dusty, musty, dry. Need a water break. And yeah, my next theme idea, I'm trying to think of a color to do, but I don't know yet. Anyways, if this video was helpful and you liked it and you'd like me to do another video like this, I think my next video about editing, I'll try to use Facetune and show you guys some tips and tricks on Facetune that I know will change your life. It'll change your life, guaranteed. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, once again, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I'm gonna go eat and go to my bed because I'm tired now. Good night. I am literally having so much trouble recording this video right now. So that last picture that I edited, I didn't record my voice. Wow. Alright.